In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Zoho Project. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho account and have access to Zoho Project. Once you're in, you'll typically land on the main dashboard or home screen. From here, we want to navigate to the section where all your projects are listed. Look toward the top or left side of the interface for an option labeled Projects. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your ongoing and upcoming work. Go ahead and click on Projects. This will open the Projects module, where you can see a list of existing projects in your portal. Depending on your setup, you might see them in a list view, card view, or organized by status. Take a quick moment to get familiar with this screen, because this is where you'll return whenever you need to monitor or update your projects. Now, to create something new, look for a button or link that says New Project. It's usually easy to spot, often placed near the top right corner of the projects page. Click on New Project. This tells Zoho that you're ready to set up a fresh project space for your team or client. After you click New Project, a window or panel will appear with options to set up the project. Here, you should see a button labeled Create Project. In some layouts, you may be taken directly into the project creation form, but if you see Create Project as a separate action, click it to proceed to the full setup screen. Now you're on the core configuration page where you'll fill in all the project details. Start with a clear, descriptive project name so everyone on your team can recognize it instantly. If there's a field for a description, use it to outline the purpose, scope, or key objectives of the project. This helps set expectations from the start. Next, choose important details such as the project owner, start date, and end date if you already know the schedule. Some setups also allow you to define the project type, set billing or budget information, or choose a template if you want to reuse an existing structure. Take your time here and fill in whatever is relevant to your workflow. Once you've entered all the necessary information and reviewed it for accuracy, look for the Add button. Clicking Add will save your settings and officially create the project in Zoho Project.